Hello amazing people, welcome to Tuts Studio. In this tutorial I will show you how to install WordPress locally in your computer using Wamp. I'm Fahad with you, let's get started. So for installing Wamp you have to open your browser, then search for Wamp. You will see a lot of search result. From here we will click the WampServer official website. Let's click this one. Okay, so this is WampServer official website. Scroll a bit. Here you will see the download option. Here is two options. First one for Windows 64 bits and second one is for Windows 32 bits. If you are using Windows 32 bits you can click this one, but I'm using Windows 64 bits, so I will click this one. After that a pop-up will comes up, and scroll a bit. Here you will see some warnings and I will talk about this one. Before installing Wamp you have to install Visual Studio 2020, and here is the download link. I will right click the link and open it in a new tab. Okay, so here is language selection option. By default here is English and I will keep the by default. Now click to the download. Here you will see another pop-up, file name, then all will be selected. Now I will click to the next for download. Okay, so our file is downloaded. Now let's run this on. I have already installed this, so I don't have to install this again. And if you don't have installed this on, please install this for set up WampServer properly. So now let's close this and this also. So here is WampServer's official site. Here you will see a form. You can fill up all of these and click to this one for download. I'm going to avoid this and I will click this link. You can download it directly. Okay, so from here I will click this green button, download latest versions. Alright, so here we can see the timing. Alright, so here our WampServer is downloading. It will take a time, so I will coming back after download this file. Alright, the file is downloaded. Now let's click this for install. Run the file. It will ask for permission. Let's click yes. Language English is fine. Now let's click OK. Accept the agreement and click to the next. Next. Here is the file location. Click to the next. Next again and click to the next. Now click to the install. The file is start installing. Alright, our WampServer is installed. One thing I want to mention you that before installing Wamp, close your Skype, because sometimes it conflicts some files. So if you close your Skype it will install properly. Now it's asking for a default browser. Let's click to the yes. Go to this PC and from here we will go to C drive, then go to the program files. I will select the Google Chrome browser, so I will go to the Google. From here you will see Chrome, applications, chrome.exe. I will select this and click to this open. Then it will ask for a default text editor. Let's click to the yes. Go to this PC again, C drive, program files. From here I will select Sublime Text 3. Open. Now the installation is complete and we will click to this next, then the finish. Congrats, your WampServer installation is complete. Now we can run our WampServer. You have to install it just once. You no need to install it again, but before run the WampServer, make sure your Skype is closed. After run WampServer, you can open your Skype again. So let's now open our WampServer. For that we will go to the start menu. From here we will see WampServer. Click to yes. You will see here is a red icon. It will turn into yellow and then it will be green. Alright, now we are ready to go. If your icon is not green, then close your Skype or stop the other localhost service you are using on your computer. Now we will go to our Wamp server. For that we will type in our URL localhost and press enter. Okay, so this is our Wamp server page. Now we will install WordPress. So for download WordPress, we will take a new tab here and we will type here wordpress.org. Okay, from here we will go to get WordPress. Then we will scroll a bit. From here we can download the WordPress latest version. So let's click this. Okay, the file is downloaded. So where we will put the WordPress download file? So let's go to the right side from this icon, click to this Wamp server. From here go to www.directory. So here are some files. You don't need to do anything with those files. We will create a new folder here. Let's name it to Tuts Studio. Click to this folder. Okay, let's drag it to left and click to this download file. We will drag it to right. Okay, now open the folder. From here we will go to this one, WordPress. We will copy all of them and we will drag to here. Basically we are copying all of these to our folder. Okay, the copy is complete. Now we will go our browser again and we will type here localhost/Tuts Studio or the folder name we have created and press enter. Now we are in WordPress installation page. Here by default English is selected. Now let's click to this continue. Now here is 5 requirement for completing the installation: database name, database username, the database password, database host and table prefix. Now we will click to this let's go button. Alright, now we need the database name. We didn't create any database, so let's go to our Wamp server home page, this page. From here we will go to phpMyAdmin. Okay, so from here we will set a username, we will set root and password we will make it to blank. Then let's click to go. From here we will go to left side corner and click to this new. Here is database name option. Let's type here a database name. I type Tuts Studio and here is others option. Let's keep it as they are. Now let's click to this create. Okay, so here our database is created. Now let's go to the WordPress installation page. Here we will put the database name. Then here is the username. Let's type here root. The password will make it blank. Then we'll leave the other options as they are and click to the submit. Okay, it's ready to run. Now let's click to run the installation. Here we will put our WordPress site information. The first one is site title. Let's type here Tuts Studio. Then the username and password. This username and password for the WordPress login. Let's set a username admin and password we will set it to 1234. Now let's check this confirm use of weak password. When you are using a live server, don't give this type of weak password. I give the weak password because we are using localhost. Then here's the email address option. Now click to install WordPress. Okay, our WordPress is installed successfully. Now we will click to log in. Okay, so here is the username and here is the password option. Let's set the username and here is the password 1234. Click to the remember me and click to this login. Now you can see the URL is changed. For every time you are logging to your WordPress dashboard, you have to type localhost, then the folder name and then the wp-admin. Then have to put your username and password and it will able to log in your WordPress dashboard. Hope you have learned how to install WampServer and after that how to install WordPress. I hope you've done everything successfully. Still, if you have any problem, let me know. I will try to help you personally. If this video creates value to you, then don't forget to like and share. And if you want to show this kind of valuable video on your home feed next time, then subscribe the channel. It will inspire me to create more valuable content. Thank you so much for watching. Coming soon with new valuable content. See you soon.